Good morning, folks. Today we're going to be doing some yard maintenance. We have gotten 7 trillion gallons of rainfall within the past couple weeks here in South Florida, well, in Florida in general, and the grass is out of control. I mean, you have to mow once a week, but even mowing once a week, it feels like you mowed every other week with how long it's getting. So today, I got my son here. I got my beautiful wife behind the camera. And today is a rare day. Hey, mister. Today is a rare day where we are all at the house and nobody's too busy. So we're gonna do a little family yard cleanup video today. So I don't think I've ever showed you guys my tractor that I use for property maintenance here. We live on 5 acres, and I used to mow with a little garden tractor, which I still have. I'll show you guys in a little bit. And that wasn't cutting it. It would take me about 6 hours to mow this whole property. This is my John Deere 1070. Here, let me put it on. This is my John Deere 1070. It's a 90s model, and it's a great little tractor. It's around 38, 40 horsepower. I think 35 horsepower PTO. I got this tractor 2 years ago, and it has 1,371 hours. I think I bought it with 1,300 hours, so I've only put 71 hours on it in the 2 years that I've owned it. This tractor, with this tractor and the 5-foot finished mower on the back, I can get this property done within about an hour and 45 minutes, hour and a half. So huge upgrade from the small garden tractor, obviously. You could probably get it done a little bit faster with a 72-inch zero turn, but with the amount of money I spent on this thing versus a 72-inch zero turn, you really can't beat this. Plus, I love the feeling of driving a tractor too versus a zero turn mower constantly. And I get to take my little man on this thing. He loves tractor rides, so that's something we'll do today. We'll start mowing with him on it, and then I'll give him over to Mama whenever it starts getting a little hot out here. Are you ready? Contact. What do you think about the tractor? Now these blades on this deck, I have not sharpened them since I bought the tractor. The deck came with the tractor, pretty old deck. The blades are pretty worn out, but it actually still cuts really nicely. So I just haven't really had the need to take them off and sharpen them, but I think this winter, that's definitely gonna be a project of mine, is sharpen all them blades on that thing. right, so this little side yard and this backyard area here, I normally mow with the little mower. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that thing out of the barn, and we will get this little area shaped up. All right, folks, that is enough mowing for the day. Tomorrow I'm gonna hit a couple cleanup areas, like back under these trees and stuff over here. But we have a birthday party to get to this afternoon, so that'll finish her up. That was probably 30 minutes on this little mower, just busting out this back area and going over these palm tree root ball mounds here. The big finish mower, it doesn't cut around these hills good, so I always use the smaller guy to do around there. You know, having a zero turn would be nice for this little area. I'll probably invest in one of those in the future and get rid of that riding tractor. But this bad boy, let me go ahead and show you this. For about 2 years, this is what I used to mow the whole property. This John Deere D105. And yeah, she never let me down. I bought her with only 70 hours on it, so it was practically brand new. And this is just, you know, a Home Depot special. There's nothing special about this guy. I think I got it for $700 on Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, like I was saying earlier, 6 hours on that guy. So I would normally break it into 2 days. I'd do 3 hours on Saturday, get a big portion of this yard done, and then the next half on Sunday. It was easier to split it up in 2 days rather than take 1 day out of the week and do 6 hours. You know, that's damn near a whole shift on the mower. So if you're gonna be doing your yard maintenance yourself, and again, that's not including weed eating, okay? I don't weed eat often. I weed eat once every couple of months whenever the weeds around the house start getting bad. I just weed eated probably 3 weeks ago. All up in here, as you can see, that's still getting a little high. There's our septic is over there, and there's a big mound and dips. I need to regrade it out, but again, the septic's there, so I don't want to bring the machine in there. I'm just gonna have to hand grade it out. So I just weed whacked that whole area up there. And then, you know, that tree with the ferns, that doesn't really get any weed whacking around it. But a lot of this stuff I clear out, but I just run it all over with the with this little mower. Use this thing as my bush hog half the time. But you know, there's a million things to weed whack around. I try and limit the obstacles, like, you know, the fire pit, this tree over here that's had this golf cart stashed under it for like 6 months now, so I haven't even really weed eated anything around there. But all the trees, anything like that, tree bases, you know, there's a lot of them. So that in itself is another 45 minutes of weed eating, at least, walking around the whole property trying to hit everything. So if you're going to be maintaining 5 acres by yourself, I I would suggest you make sure that you like to mow, because personally I love mowing. It's like a therapy to me. You know, I don't have a landscape business. We do hardscape, so we do pavers, concrete, things like that. You know, we do dirt work and grading, but we don't do any mowing. And so I don't know, mowing grass is just like my quiet time, the time when I can think about things and organize my brain. It's my therapy. And so honestly, like it for the first year of mowing with this little one taking 6 hours to do the whole thing, it wasn't that bad for me, because again, it was 6 hours of a therapy session, really. But after a year of it, it starts to get old. It's like, you know, not every weekend you're going to be as motivated to get out there and mow the lawn, especially when you've been sweating your ass off all week at work. It's tough sometimes, and those are the days where it's like, oh, okay, I really need to get a bigger mower. And finally came across this one, which my cousin actually owned it before me, and he gave me somewhat of a good deal on it. And I just did the logistics in my head on how much faster it should be mowing with that than this little one. And I estimated it would take me around 2.5 hours. So I was a whole hour under that. So I'm extremely happy, you know, an hour and a half to do the whole big pasture area. And it's even that much more fun to ride around on. You know, that's one of the other reasons why I didn't buy a zero turn right away, is because I like the steering wheel. I like riding the little tractor. I don't care about going super fast. It's my therapy session, again. So, but you start to grow out of that a little bit after years and years of mowing for hours on end. And you try and make it so that it's still fun, you know, the big tractor, it's got the steering wheel, it's more fun to drive than this thing, and you're just getting more area cleared out. So overall, definitely would recommend at least a 72-inch mower if you're going to be taking care of 5 acres that has grass. You know, if you don't have grass and you have a whole bunch of trees that you're not really clearing under, then it's not going to be that big of a deal for you. You could get away with just, you know, a tractor maybe, and some stuff of that nature. The skid steer, huge help around the property, but again, I use that for work. So if you have 5 acres, you don't need a skid steer. What would be really nice to have is a tractor with a bucket and fork attachment, possibly a grapple for any brush. That would be prime, because we do have storms down here in South Florida. We have hurricanes quite often, and with the last big hurricane that came through here, Milton, we had a lot of trees down. We actually have a palm tree that's still leaning right now. I have to pull it back up and brace it. It's been over a year it's been leaning like this, and just haven't really gotten around to it. But we had some major trees fall down, and you know, if I would have had to pay a tree service to come and clean everything up, it would have been thousands and thousands of dollars. I didn't have to do that because I had my skid steer and I had a chainsaw. And I mean, you don't need a skid steer for that. You can cut it all up into small pieces, but it took me an hour to clear up a whole tree falling down with a chainsaw and a skid steer, versus without the skid steer would take you much longer. This right here is the palm tree that got blown down during the storm, and that other tree caught it, which I don't know how, because there's not very big limbs there. I mean, the limbs are that big around, and it's just full of vines. So I actually think the vines are what caught that palm tree falling down, which is pretty wild. And for people who aren't planning to mow their own property and have a landscape company or someone take care of it, I have no idea the prices it would cost for a landscape company to come out here and take care of this property. If any of you guys are in the landscape industry and have any idea what it would take to take care of 5 acres that is mainly yard, mainly grass, obviously you have a bunch of obstacles you'd have to weed eat around and stuff, let me know in the comments how much that would cost, bi-weekly or per month. I mean, that's the thing, is right now in the summertime you can't mow this bi-weekly unless you're bush hogging it. If you're gonna finish mow it and actually want the grass to look nice, it has to be weekly. bi-weekly, it just gets crazy. I mean, the grass grows 12 inches in a week. It's insane. So yeah, I don't think the bi-weekly would cut it. I mean, in a month, I think you'd be paying, I would think $1,000 a month at least. Let me know in the comments. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.